Hi, I'm Bill Laberis, Editorial Director of the Enterprise CIO Forum. I'm joined here today by John Gallant, who is Chief Content Officer of IDG Enterprise, and we're going to be talking about cloud computing. Now, John, in his current role, oversees a lot of the content of the websites and the publications, such as CIO, Network World, Computer World, Info World, and several others. John, thanks for joining me here today.
Hi, Bill. It's a pleasure to be here.
Okay, so we've got private cloud, public cloud, hybrid clouds, cloud this, cloud that. I mean, other than virtualization, I don't think anything's captured the imagination of CIOs more than cloud these days. What is the reality of a snapshot today of cloud in the enterprise?
Well, there's tremendous interest in cloud, and actually it's gone well beyond interest. What we've seen is people have moved very quickly beyond the stage of, will this work? Is it secure? Is it right for my organization? And looking at ways to actually deploy cloud, and in a variety of different ways. Private cloud, meaning a very flexible delivery infrastructure within your organization. Hybrid cloud, where you extend that to take advantage of whether infrastructure as a service, storage as a service, compute as a service, platform as a service to enhance the capabilities of your private cloud. And then public cloud services, whether software as a service or other functions that you can tap into. People are working it into the application portfolio today and really making it a part of their strategies.
Well, okay, so I can understand some of the IT drivers of cloud. What are the business drivers behind cloud today?
Well, I think the business drivers are a couple. One is flexibility. Business needs to move quickly. In many cases, by tapping into these cloud capabilities, you can deliver a function much more quickly. In a private cloud, for example, you may be able to roll out an application in a day versus 30 days that it took before. Enable a new server in an hour versus multiple weeks to enable a new server. Or you may find that there's a particular software as a service capability that is exactly what a department needs, and you don't have to build and roll out a new application. So business flexibility is one, and cost is the other. In many cases, this should not be the primary factor, but in many cases, it can bring the cost of your IT operations and bring the cost of bringing a new capability to market way down.
Mm-hmm. So greater efficiency, cost efficiency, agility, and so forth, and two of the key words of the holy grail of IT today. Are we essentially talking about the future of IT service delivery and application delivery, in essence, when we're talking about cloud?
Well, I think if you go back to the beginning, one of the goals of IT has always been to be very flexible and to be able to very quickly fulfill the need that the business has. We've talked for years about having a service model for the IT organization. Cloud enables you to develop that. In the private cloud model, you could create a service catalog that would allow people to tap into applications or specific functions as quickly as they need to and pay for those functions. So you're actually seeing the value to the organization. Public cloud enables you to roll out applications much more quickly than you might be able to have done in the past. So I think it's something that the IT organization has always been striving for, but there are new technology capabilities that make that much closer to reality.
Mm-hmm. So bright future for cloud, in your opinion, then?
Oh, very bright indeed.
Well, John Gallant, Chief Content Officer for IDG Enterprise, thanks very much for joining me today.
Bill, it was a pleasure speaking with you.